Good afternoon, everyone. I present to your attention the work of the Structure Layers plugin. This plugin will allow architects to display on sections in the form of conditional annotation the composition of the layers that you want to display on the section by a particular design. Let's take a closer look at the plugin. Let's run the plugin. Next, we need to specify the location where we need to place our family. Let's say we are going to do a layer composition by this wall. We are going to specify a point, and then you've got the following window displayed. The first one needs to be done is to maintain the type name. Since we're going to create a description of the wall, we are going to type the just wall. Next, in our future annotation, family will indicate with which side we are going to have an arrow. Let that will be here, so that we can have our marking and up. We can also specify the length of this arrow. Let it be 30. The width of our annotation is indicated here. And the last thing that we need to do is to specify the composition of the layers and their thicknesses. Let's go ahead and do that. It's going to be 20 millimeters finishing layer first. Next will be the first 15 millimeters panel. 100 millimeters thermal insulation, then the 15 millimeters panel, and 12 millimeters trim are repeated. Click Done. And we see that we have our annotation family. Here we have all the layers and their thicknesses. If we do a scale smaller, the family would look better. The only thing is it will need to be relocated. That is the way we've made the composition of our design in the form of annotation markings along the wall. Let's do the same thing on the roof. Clicking on the plugin, on some point, let's go here. Let's specify position of the arrow. Type name and fill in the layer description. 12 mm base, coating, finish. Click Done and we see the labeling annotation. The most important thing is that all of these annotation marks we have are memorized. And so if you want to put out it on some other place, for example, the exact same checkbox, for example, with this side on the wall, click on the plugin. Specify that point, select the type that we need here. It's saved. Put an arrow on this side, click Done, and we get our annotation family on the other side. The same thing on the roof. Run the plugin, select our type, put the arrow somewhere else, click Done, get the family placed. So this plugin will allow for professionals in the architecture section make quick and convenient layer composition with the annotation designation. That's it for now. Thank you everybody. Subscribe to the channel, give us a like. In the description of the video you can find the download link for the plugins with a free 2 weeks trial version. Bye everybody.